Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can invite a friend to a game in Battlefield 6. It's pretty easy. So let's say for the sake of this video, if I go and select this category right here, and if I wanna invite my friend here, so for that I need to go to this plus icon and I'll able to see the list of my friends who are currently online. So make sure if you are not able to see this list, you need to make sure that this should be expanded and you'll able to see list of your friend who are currently online. So whomever you wanna invite, you can just easily send the request from here. We need to hit A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation in order to send the request. And another way to invite your friend is that you need to hit R2 key on PlayStation or RT key on Xbox. If you have PC, then you need to hit tab and you'll able to see this window for EA Connect. So right here you again gonna see the list of your friend, and in order to invite your friend, just highlight their name and hit A on Xbox, cross on PlayStation and enter on PC in order to invite them, and from there they'll able to join you. And yeah, that's exactly how you can invite a friend to a game in Battlefield 6. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.